like this. And inhale, lift off. Inhale, both arms up, Larit Yadayim. Lock your fingers and palms facing up. Stretch your spine, lift off. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Maximum. Open your chest, open your chest. Stretch maximum. And slowly bend towards your right side. Stay there a little bit. Stay there. Deep breathing. Take deep inhale. And very slowly exhale. Inhale. Up. Opposite. One more round. Bend towards left side. Open chest. Take deep inhale. And very slowly exhale. And slowly up. Now hands down. Release your hand. And slowly stand on your knee and support your hip with your both knees. Support your hip. Open your chest. Chest open. And deep inhale. Lift off. Inhale. Slowly bend your back. Don't push too much. Now give a nice back bend. Look up. Push your hip forward. Come back. Relax. Now both palms on the mat and tabletop like this. Tabletop like this. Place your palm under your shoulder, knee under your hip, knee under your hip. Point your toes. Point your toes. And deep inhale, lift off. Inhale, bend your back. And slowly look up and up. Exhale, curve your spine, head down, make an arch. Inhale, head up, look up. Exhale, curve your spine, head down. One more. Inhale, head up, look up. Keep your back straight, relax. Relax. Now keep your knees together by a hatha time. Knees together. Keep your knees together. And inhale, lift off. Inhale, right leg up. Narik Regal Yemi. Right leg up. As much as possible. Look straight. Look straight. Right leg up. Deep inhale. And slowly exhale. Now, if you are comfortable, left hand up. Narik Yaksmo. Left hand up. Left hand up. Stay there. And deep breathing. Focus on your breath. Deep breathing. Very good. Left hand down and right leg down. Touch your right leg on the mat. Just relax a little bit. Just relax. Touch your right toe on the mat. Stay there. Deep inhale and exhale. Now again, right leg up. Right leg up. One more. Now bring your right leg towards your right side, like this. Like this. Bring your right leg towards your right side. And stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Fine. Right leg back. Right leg back. Right leg back. Now slowly, right leg forward. Place your right leg between your palm, like this. Between your palm. So your left knee also bend, right leg also bend, like this. Both hands up, sit like this, comfortably sit like this. Palms together, prayer pose, in front of your chest. Palms together in front of your chest. Now turn your body towards your right side. Turn your body towards your right side. Now, if you are comfortable, place your left elbow on your right knee or left armpit, underarm on your right knee, and look behind you. Twist your spine. Twist your spine. Look behind you. If you are very comfortable, you can lift your right knee like me. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left knee down and both hands down on the mat. Now, right leg back again, cat pose, and relax in child pose. Relax, child pose. Now again, head up, chest up, cat pose, mariji asana. Cat pose, head up, chest up. Stay like this. Keep your knees together by a kind. And inhale, left leg up, Larim regal small, left leg up, look straight. Left leg up, look straight. Deep breathing, Limsham Amam. Deep breathe. If you are very comfortable, slowly raise your right arm, right hand up, look straight. Stay there. Deep breathing, 15 seconds, stay there. Deep inhale. And very slowly exhale. Now right hand down and left leg also down. Touch your left toe on the mat. Relax a little bit. Relax. Relax. Again, inhale. Left leg up. Larim regal small. Left leg up. Now slowly bring your left leg towards your left side like this. Like this. Stay there. Left leg up. Stay there. Deep breathing. Deep breathe. Stay there. Stay there. Fine. Left leg back. Left leg back. Stay like this. Left leg back. And slowly forward your left leg between your palm. Left leg forward between your palm. And both hands up, palms together. Prayer pose. In front of your chest. Palms together. Now twist your spine towards your left side. Left side. Twist your spine towards your left side. If you are very comfortable, place your right elbow or right armpit on your left knee. Like this. Like this or like this. Up to you. And twist your spine. Look behind you. Look behind you. If you are very comfortable, touch your toe on mat and right knee up. If you are very comfortable, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left knee down on the mat and both hands on the mat. both hands on the mat. Left leg back, triangle small ahova, and